Stop Putin, stop the war!
Stop Amina's deportation. Free Amina Girikhanova. Freedom for Amina Girikhanova. Romanian authorities are trying to deport Amina Girikhanova to Russia, to the evil country, to the evil empire. We have no problem with humans, but we have problem with Putin and his criminal terrorist regime. Wherever Russia is, there is trouble. We want to stop Russian aggression against Chechnya and against Ukraine. We want to stop the Russian aggression to all the world. We want to stop Russian terrorist government. We asking humanity. We asking for freedom. Freedom for Chechnya. Freedom for Ukraine. Freedom for Amina Girikhanova. Stop Amina's extradition to Russia.